Hallucinations form very important MCQs. There are so many one-liners around hallucination. So let me list a few of the most important one-liners which are often asked on hallucination. Like say auditory hallucinations are the most common hallucinations. Visual hallucinations are most common in cases of organic psychiatric disease like delirium. Temporal lobe epilepsy can cause all kind of hallucination like tactile and olfactory, including tactile olfactory. So temporal lobe epilepsy can cause all kind of hallucination. Tactile hallucination are typically feature of cocaine intoxication. Very important MCQ. Patient feels like bugs are crawling under his or her skin. Hypnagogic hallucination is while patient is falling asleep and they see the hallucination, and it is typically seen in narcolepsy. So an important way would be hypnagogic. Gogic means going to sleep. So going to sleep, so patient when falls asleep, these are hypnagogic hallucination. Another would be hypnopompic. Pompic means when getting up from sleep. Pomp is pumped up. When are you pumped up? When you get up from sleep. So hypnopompic hallucination is the hallucination which you get while you are waking up from the sleep. Functional hallucinations are hallucinations when stimulus of one sensory one sensory modality produces the hallucination of the same sensory modality. For example, you see a bright light and then you see a visual hallucination. So these kind of hallucinations, when the stimulation of one sensory modality will lead to the hallucination of the same sensory modality, is called as functional hallucination. This is in contrast with reflex hallucination, also called as synesthesia, in which the stimulation of one sensory modality produces hallucination of the other sensory modality. For example, when you see a bright light, you suddenly start having auditory hallucination. So the original stimulation was of light, that was visual stimulus, but you have an auditory hallucination. This typically is seen in LSD and cannabis. So these are the most important MCQs around hallucination.